crafty friends, it's Rick. I'm back with another video for Pixi Dust Designs, and today's a special video. Today I get to introduce you to the brand new Pixi Promises release that went live this morning, June 8th. And to celebrate, the video team is doing a video hop called the Pixi Promises Video Hop. And we're all using products from the new release. I'll go over those in a minute. But first, let me talk to you about the hop. So what you're going to do is you're going to hop along, and each creator is a collaborator on this video. So you will find their video. You'll find their video linked below, as you can hop over to their video and leave comments along the hop for a chance to win a $25 store credit from Pixi Dust Designs. The winner will be announced on the Pixi Dust Designs community tab on June 15th. I'm not sure of the time that will be announced, but it will be announced on June 15th. So let's talk about the new release. So for the new release, you have the Lord is My Shepherd die set. Along with the coordinating stamp, you have this beautiful little sheep, and it says, Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want, Psalms 23:1. And then we have Walk in Faith. It says Walk in Faith is the stamp set that goes with it. And it's this beautiful shoe with floral design. And then we have the God Will Meet All My Needs. And mine is a sample. I did not get the stamp set that comes with it. There will be a stamp set in yours that says God Will Meet all your needs on that beautiful hummingbird set. And then there's the You Are the Light of the World set. And the sentiment is You Are the Light of the World, Matthew 5:14. And it's a beautiful lantern with a floral design. And then we have He Fills My Cup with Grace. So we have that sentiment, and it is you have a pumpkin and a coffee. So this would be great for fall, and a Bible or a journal, however you want to look at it. So there's that stamp set as part of the release. And then the last set as part of the release is Be Strong and Courageous. And it's Joshua 1:9, and you have this fun little lion with this jumping over some sunflowers. So that is the Pixi Promise release. You will find inspiration for these products in the video hop going on right now. Remember, you leave a comment before June 15th for a chance to win a $25 store credit to Pixi Dust Designs. And that will be announced again from the comments on the videos on June 15th on the Pixi Dust Design community tab. All right, I'll see you along the hop. Bye, guys. Stay crafty. Love you.